everyone, welcome to the session. So this is the second class of time, speed, distance. So yesterday we discussed the basic concepts of time, speed, distance. We discussed the basic formulas. We discussed the concept of average speed. We also discussed about relative speed, how to solve questions related to the moving trains also. Alright, so we discussed these concepts in yesterday's class, and in today's class we are going to revise these concepts again quickly in just the first 5 minutes of the class and first 5 minutes of the class, and then we'll be discussing about some questions related to these topics. Alright, okay, let's begin. Hi Chaitanya, welcome to the session. Yes, everyone who is there in the session, please type a hi in the chat box so that I can know who all are attending. Okay, so before I start, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Aishwarya and I have done my Masters in Maths from University of Delhi. Prior to that, I did my graduation in Maths from University of Delhi. I've been training students for various exams like CAT, GRE and GMAT since past 4 years now. Hi Shubham. Okay, so now these are the prices of our CAT subscription. So the price of plus subscription for 24 months is 32,800. And for 12 months, this price is 22,550. Likewise, the price of iconic subscription for 24 months is 67,000. And for 12 months, the price is 39,500. You can get 10% off the course subscription fee if you use the code AAISH10. Okay. Hi Tanya. Hi Tarun. Welcome to the session. Yes. Good evening. All right. So we discussed this concept yesterday. Let us just quickly recall it. Okay, so when a train crosses a fixed point, then the distance covered by the train is equal to the length of the train. Okay, so in this case, the distance is equal to length of train. Okay, now this fixed point could be a boy or a girl standing on the platform. This could be a pole on the platform, a bench on the platform, like that. Okay. Then let's see this one. When a train crosses a platform, so in the previous case, the train crossed a fixed point. In this case, the train crosses a platform. Okay, so now please notice that the length of a fixed point is nothing. It is negligible, right? But the platform has a length. Okay, so therefore, in this case, the distance will be equal to length of the train plus the length of platform. Right, length of train plus platform. Okay, yes. Hi Bharat. Hi Aditya. Good afternoon. All right, now let's see this one. When two trains pass each other, then total distance is equal to the sum of lengths of two trains. Okay, so when two trains pass each other, then the distance covered is equal to length of train 1 plus length of train 2. All right, I hope this concept is clear. Yes. Okay, let us discuss about relative speed now. So this also we had discussed yesterday, but we are going to just revise it. Okay. So relative speed is the speed of a moving object as observed from another moving object. Okay. Now if two objects move in the same direction, this way or this way, alright, direction is same, then relative speed is the difference of the two speeds. Hence, the speeds are subtracted in this case. Alright, but when two objects move in opposite direction, the relative speed is sum of two speeds. So, in this case, the speeds of two objects is always added. Okay, so now can you tell me when when two cars move away from each other? Okay, when two cars move away from each other, what happens to their speed? Are the speeds added or are the speeds subtracted? Yes. Everyone please answer. Praveen, Chetna, Aditya, Bharat, Tanya, Tarun, Shubham, Chaitanya. Everyone please answer quickly. Yes. So when two cars move away from each other means they are moving in opposite direction, hence their speeds will be added. What about when they move towards each other? Towards each other. Coming closer this way. What will happen to the speeds? Added or subtracted? Yes, everyone, please answer. Correct. So in this case also, the speeds will be added because the direction is opposite. Correct. So in this case also. Alright, I hope this is clear. Okay, let's move on. So here is the first question for you guys. Please try this question. So I'm giving you 2 minutes to answer. Please solve this. Okay, we already have an answer. Yes, 2 answers now. Everyone, please quickly type it. Okay, let's see. So time taken by a 200-meter long train running at the speed of 36 km per hour. So the length of the train is given in meters, but the speed is in kilometer per hour. So I need to change the speed into meter per second. So let's do that. So this will be 36 into 5 by 18. So this will give me 10 meter per second. Okay. So 36 kilometers per hour is 10 meter per second. Time taken we need to calculate. Okay. So the distance in this case is equal to length of the train, which is 200. Speed is 10. So the time will be equal to 200 by 10, and this is equal to 20 seconds. Hence, the train will be able to cross the buoy in 20 seconds. Correct. Everyone has given the right answers. Great. Next question. Yes, please try. Distance covered by a cyclist in 20 seconds if he is traveling at a speed of 36 kilometers per hour. Okay, one answer. Okay, let's see. What is the distance covered by a cyclist in 20 seconds? So time is given to us. Speed is 36. So this is in seconds. This is in kilometer per hour. So need to convert the speed into meter per second. So this will be 36 into 5 by 18. Hence 10. 10 meter per second is the speed. Time is 20. So the distance will be 20 into 10, which is equal to 200 meters. Okay, hence option D is the right answer. Yes, correct everyone. 200 is the right answer. Okay, I hope this is clear. Let's see the next question. Yes, please try. A train overtakes two persons cycling at 9 km per hour and 18 km per hour. Okay, so this time the point is not fixed. Okay, the points are also moving. Now the time taken by cyclist 1 is 40 seconds and for the second one 48 seconds. Find the length and speed of the train. Okay, please try. Yes. Any answer yet? So guys, please tell me, is the train and the cyclist, are they traveling in the same direction or the opposite direction? Think and tell. What is the direction of the train and cyclist? Yes, correct. So they are traveling in same direction. And when two objects travel in the same direction, then their speeds are subtracted. Okay, it means that the speed of train and the speed of cyclist will be subtracted. Okay, now let's see. So here the time is given in seconds, but the speeds are given in kilometer per hour. So therefore I am going to convert the speed to meter per second. So what is 9? 9 you can write as 9 into 5 by 18. Okay, which is equal to 5 by 2. So this is 5 by 2 meter per second. What about 18? 18 is 18 into 5 by 18. So this is equal to 5 meter per second. Alright, so these are the speeds in meter per second. Now, okay, so let us take the length of the train as x and speed of the train as s. Okay, alright, I hope this is clear. Now let's see, the train overtakes this cyclist in 40 seconds. So I can say that the distance is equal to speed into time. What is the distance covered when the train overtakes a cyclist? What is the distance? So distance in this case is equal to length of the train. So therefore this is x. Now what is the speed? Speed of this cyclist is 5 by 2 and speed of the train is what I need to find. Now their speeds will be subtracted. Hence the speed will be s minus 5 by 2. Okay, and what is the time? Time is given as 40 seconds. So therefore this is my first equation. Okay, let's see the next one. So please tell me what will be the distance for the second one. Distance traveled by the train while overtaking the second cyclist. Yes. Please answer, what is the distance? Yeah. So distance again in this case will be equal to length of the train, that is equal to x. Okay. Then what is the speed? Speed is s minus 5 and the time here is 48. Okay. So you have two equations. Both these equations are for distance. Hence I can say that 40 into s minus 5 by 2 is equal to 48 into s minus 5. Okay. So please simplify this and tell me what is the value of s. Okay. Alright, let's see. So I get 40s minus 100 is equal to 48s minus 48 into 5, which is 240. Yes. So solving this further, I will get 8s is equal to 240 minus 100, 140. So you get s as 140 by 8. Okay. So what would be this value? Okay, but this speed will be in meter per second. Okay, So let us convert it into kilometer per hour. So for that I need to multiply the speed by 18 by 5. Okay, so please solve this and tell me. You will get 63 kilometer per hour as the speed. Okay, hence the speed is 63 kilometer per hour. Now you can put this value of s in one of these equations and get the value of length. Okay, so I think somebody answered 63 earlier. Yes, Shubham, your answer was right. What is the length of the train? Please find. Okay, so length will be equal to this. I can use this formula, s minus 5 into 48. Alright, what is the value of s? Now in terms of meter per second, this value is 140 upon 8 minus 5 into 48. Alright, so when you solve this, you will get the length of the train as 600 meters. Okay. Yes, please check if this is clear. Everyone, please verify this. Is everyone getting the same speed and distance as the answer? Okay, Bharat, I'll repeat it for you. So, yeah. So, see, the distance covered in this case will be equal to the length of the train, right? So, length of the train I have taken as x, speed of the train I have taken as s. Okay. So, therefore, since the train and cyclist both are traveling in the same direction, their speeds will be subtracted. So, in this case, when 40 seconds of time was taken, so the distance is x is equal to s minus 5 by 2 into 40. Okay, this gives me the distance. When the time of 48 seconds was taken, so the distance was s minus 5 into 48. Alright, now actually I have equated equation 1 and 2. Okay, I have got this from equation 1 and equation 2. Okay, so when you solve this, you get the value of s and x. Yes, Bharat, is this question clear now? Okay. Alright guys, I hope this question is clear. Let's see the next one. Okay. So since this is a lengthy question, I am giving you 3 minutes. Please read it, try it and give me the correct answer. Okay. Take your time. Solve this one. Yes, is this question clear? No, actually, yeah, I am not live at different channels. I am just live on this channel, okay? You might have seen a video about analyzing your mock test performance. So that is a pre-recorded video which premieres on the channel, okay? Alright, I am not live at 2 channels at the same time, okay? Yes, guys, is this question clear? Okay. Alright. Should we discuss this question? Have you got the answer yet? Please confirm. Yes, Bharat, Chaitanya, Tanya, Chetna, Aditya, Praveen, please confirm, guys, if this question. Okay, we have one answer, 5 kilometers per hour. Alright, let's see. Yes, Tanya, I think you might have done some calculation mistake. Your answer is differing by just 0.5. Okay, please check. Let's see this. So, two men, M and N, start walking towards each other simultaneously, means at the same time. So, if person M is here and person N is here, okay, so M starts walking towards this direction and N starts walking in this direction towards each other, right? Then from two places F and G, so this is the place F and this is the place G. Okay, this is the place. Now these two places are 50 kilometers apart, so this distance is 50 kilometers. Okay, next sentence, they meet after 5 hours. So see, if M and N, they are walking towards each other, it means they will meet at certain point and this point of meeting is in between. Not in exact middle, but this is somewhere between F and G. Okay, let us take this as the point of meeting. Alright, now they are meeting after 5 hours. So tell me how much distance is covered by M and N in 5 hours. Okay, let us take that the speed of M is M. Speed of person M is equal to M and speed of person N is equal to N. Okay, this is their speed. So tell me the distance covered by M in 5 hours. Yes, please answer distance covered by M in 5 hours. Distance covered by M in 5 hours. This will be equal to speed into time. What is the speed? M. What is the time? 5. So this is 5m. Okay, am I right? Is this step clear to everyone? Correct. Right, Kushal, 5m. Now, the distance covered by N in 5 hours. Okay, because they meet after 5 hours. So, till this point, they have covered certain distance. Is equal to 5 into N. Okay, so this is the distance covered by each person, 5m and 5n. Now, it means that this distance, this much is equal to 5m and this much distance is equal to 5n. So, from here, I can say that 5m plus 5n is equal to 50, the total distance. Right? Okay, so we have this equation. Let's see what else can I get. Now, see, after their meeting, okay, so this is till their meeting. After their meeting, M reduced his speed by 1 kilometer per hour. So now what is the reduced speed of M? The new speed, reduced speed of M will be equal to M minus 1 because 1 kilometer per hour reduce हो गई है. और N increased his speed by 1 kilometer per hour. It means increased speed of N is equal to N plus 1. Okay, now after their speeds are changed, then they arrived at G and F respectively at the same time. It means N को from the meeting point to M जाने में जितना टाइम लगा है उतना ही टाइम M को meeting point से G तक जाने में लगा है, right? So then also their timings is same, so I can equate the times, right? So time taken by M will be equal to 5N upon M minus 1, right? Because this time M will cover this distance. Okay, M has covered this distance, the distance which I am marking with green color, this one. Okay, and this distance is equal to 5N upon speed. Okay, I hope this is clear. Now let's see. What is the distance covered by N? 5M upon N plus 1. Okay, so I hope this is clear. This is our second equation. Alright, so we already have this, that 5M plus 5N is 50. Second equation we got is 5N upon M minus 1 is equal to 5M upon N plus 1. Okay, so let us simplify this. What will I get? I'll get 5N square plus 5N is equal to 5M square minus 5M, right? Okay, so the 5's will be cancelled out. I can write this as N square minus M square is equal to minus M minus N. Okay, so I can write this as, now N square minus M square is N minus M into N plus M. This is minus 1 of M minus N, M plus N. Okay, so I got the value of N minus M is minus 1, hence M minus N is 1. Okay, now if M minus N is 1, here I have M plus N is 50 by 5, which is 10. M minus N is 1. Adding both the equations, you get 2M is 11. Therefore, M is 5.5. Now, what do we need to find in this question? Initial speed of M, which is M. This is what I need to find. Hence, the correct answer is 5.5 kilometers per hour. Okay? Yes. Kilometers per hour. Yes. Guys, is this question clear to everyone? Please confirm. Yes, Praveen, have you understood now? Mayank, Kushal, Tanya, have you got your mistake? I hope you did some calculation mistake only earlier. Yes, Tanya, actually this is the shortcut method. This is not a long method that we have followed. This question has taken time because I have written all the steps in detail. Okay, but if you think about it, in order to solve this question correctly, you just need to understand the figure. Okay, if you have understood it, then definitely you can solve it in lesser amount of time. Okay, all right. Let's see the next question now. This one. Yes. Everyone, please try this question. Again, I am giving you 3 minutes. Please try. Yes. Okay, Ayush, so you want the syllabus of JIPMAT for math? So for that, can you please text me on my Telegram group? I'll definitely share the entire syllabus with you. Okay. All right, we have one answer 15. Let's see. Everyone, please type in your answers. Yes, Santosh. In fact, today only I'm going to take. So there will be a video that will premiere on this channel, and in that video, I'm going to explain the entire CAT syllabus for logical reasoning, DI, quants, and verbal VARC. Okay, all the three sections. So please, I would suggest you to please watch that video. I'll share the link of that video on the Telegram channel. You'll get the syllabus from there. All right. Okay, so we have another answer as well. 11. Everyone, please type in your answers. Okay. All right. Okay, let us discuss this question. So this is also somewhat related to the previous question. Same logic. Let's see. So A and B started from towns P and Q simultaneously. So this is town P. This is town Q. They have started from these two towns. A is traveling in this direction and B is traveling in this direction. Okay. After 6 hours, they crossed each other at town hour. So somewhere in between at town hour, they crossed each other after 6 hours. So if I take the speed of P as A, sorry, speed of person A as A and speed of person B as B. Okay, so these are their speeds. Speed of A and speed of B. Alright, so they crossed each other after 6 hours. Okay, so it means that the distance traveled by A in 6 hours is equal to 6A. Hence, PR is equal to 6A. And the distance traveled by person B to reach from Q to R will be 6B. Hence, QR is equal to 6B. Okay, I have this. Now, what else can I know from here? Now, this is the distance. Now, it is given that A took 5 hours more to reach Q than B took to reach P. Okay, so time taken by B to reach P from R. Okay, so time will be equal to distance upon time taken. So this distance is equal to 6A. Okay, sorry, distance upon speed, and speed is equal to B. Okay, so we have this value. Now, what is the time taken by A? So time taken by A to reach from R to Q will be the distance QR, which is 6B upon speed, which is A. Right? So these are the time taken by both the persons. This is for B and this is for A. Okay, now A took 5 hours more. So I can write that 6B upon A minus 6A upon B is equal to 5. Right? Now we need to find sum of the times taken by them to reach their destinations. So I need the addition of these two values. And what will be the sum? 6a by b plus 6b by a. What will be this value? So if I take ab as the common LCM, I will get this as 6a square plus 6b square. Okay, so I need this value. Yes, so how can we solve this question? Yes, guys, can you explain your approach? How did you guys get 11 as the answer? Yes, Ayush, Chaitanya, Tarun, Praveen, everyone, please explain. What is your approach for this question? Okay, by one shot, what is the approach that you have followed? Yes, Chaitanya, Tarun, what is your approach? Alright, let's see how will we do this. Now what I can do here is that I have this equation. Okay, what does this says? From here I have that 6b by a minus 6a by b is 5. Okay, so I can take b by a as r. Okay, let us take this b by a as r. So I get 6r minus 6 upon r is equal to 5. Okay, so let us solve this one. So this will be 6r square minus 6 is 5r. Okay, so this is a quadratic equation which can be solved easily. Please solve this quadratic equation. You will get two values of r. Okay, so one value will be minus 2 by 3. Other value is 3 by 2. Now negative value can't be the value of r, right? Because these are the speeds. So r is equal to 3 by 2. Okay, so you get b by a is 3 by 2. So what will be the value of a by b? This will be equal to 2 by 3. Okay, so let us put these two values in the desired answer that we get. Okay, so I need 6a by b plus 6b by a. Let us put in the values. What will you get? 6a upon b is 2 by 3 and b upon a. b upon a is 3 by 2. Okay, so solve this and tell me what will be the final answer. This will be 4 and this will be 9. Hence 13 is the correct answer. Option C is the right answer. Okay, yes guys, is this question clear? Yes, everyone please confirm, because you guys got 11 as the answer. Is this clear? If you want me to explain this question again, we can do this again as well. Please confirm. Okay, all right. Okay, Bharat, I'll repeat this question. Okay, let us do it from the beginning. Okay, again, fine. Let us do this again. Yes, yeah. So A and B started from towns P and Q. So this was town P, this is town Q. I don't know the distance between both the towns. A started from town P, B started from town Q. Okay, to travel in the opposite directions. Now let us take that the speed of A is equal to A and speed of person B is equal to B. Okay, this is our assumption. We have taken the speeds. Now, after traveling for 6 hours, they cross each other at town R. So let us take somewhere in between we have town R. Okay, So after traveling for 6 hours, what is the distance covered by A? Distance covered by A will be equal to 6 into A, time into speed. So this is the length PR, distance PR. Then what is QR? The distance QR will be equal to 6 into B. Okay, so we have PR as well as QR. Okay, now after that A took 5 hours more to reach Q. So time taken by A to reach Q after point R is equal to distance upon speed. What is the distance from R to Q? What is this distance? It is 6B. So this is 6B upon speed of A, that is A. Okay, and what is the time taken by B? Time taken by B is given by, again, distance upon speed. What is the distance? Distance is equal to 6A. Speed of B is B. So this is the value. Okay, now it is given the difference in these two speeds is equal to 5 hours. So I can subtract them. So I get 6B upon A minus 6A upon B is equal to 5. Okay, so we have this value. Let us solve this. Okay, so now I have B upon A and A upon B. So I have taken R as A upon B. Okay, let us take it as B upon A. Okay, so I took R as B upon A. So I can write this as 6R minus 6 upon R is equal to 5. So when you will simplify this, you will get a quadratic equation. Okay, and you will get the value of R as 3 by 2. Okay, if R is 3 by 2, it means B by A is 3 by 2. If B by A is 3 by 2, it means A by B is 2 by 3. अब क्वेश्चन में पूछा क्या है? Sum of times taken. Alright, so sum of time taken will be equal to 6A by B plus 6B by A. Okay, ये दोनों times का addition. Put the values of A by B and B by A, you will get the total time taken as 13. Yes, is this question clear now? Yes, Bharat, is this clear? Tarun, Tanya, everyone, Chaitanya, Ayush. Yes, so Mayank, you're asking about increasing your speed, the solving speed as well as understanding. So guys, this will come only by practice. So I'll just explain you one way of increasing your speed. So what you can do is that, okay, so when you start a topic, okay, after covering the basic concepts of that class, what you can do is that just take a set of 10 questions from any book and from anywhere. You can search online any book you have taken. Just take a set of 10 questions, switch on the timer and see how much time you take to solve 10 questions. So suppose if you took 20 minutes to solve 10 questions, then next day when you sit for practice, make sure that you do 10 questions in 18 minutes. Okay, so after practicing this for 4 to 5 days, I'm sure that your speed will start improving. Okay, but see, this time you have to set as per you, because this is different from each and every student. Okay, in your strong area आप जल्दी solve कर सकते हो. अगर आपका कोई weak area, you might take more time. Okay, but this is how you can develop speed. Only by practicing, no other way. Okay, yes, please try this question now. Yes, Mayank, the concepts of the question. So actually, you can, if you are studying on YouTube, then definitely you can watch a lot of videos. So we start a module, like I have started this module arithmetic from, I think, 3rd of May, and I'll be completing the entire arithmetic in this month. After that, I'm going to start with a new module. So this way you can complete the entire syllabus of quants. All the basics I am definitely covering, but obviously because of limitation of time, I can solve a few questions in the class. Then I ask you guys to solve yourself and send me the doubts. Okay, so this is how you should prepare. Everyone, please try this now. Okay, we have one answer. All right. Okay. Yes, honey, 180 is the right answer. Great. Everyone, please type in your answers what you are getting. All right, let us discuss. Yes, Chetna, 180 is right. Let's see. So a person covered 50% of the distance. Let us take total distance as x. Okay. So I am going to take the total distance as x. Now if my total distance is x, 50% of the distance is covered at 15 kilometers per hour. Right. So means 50% of the distance means x by 2, covered at 15 kilometers per hour. So this is the time taken to cover this part of the distance. Then next 60% of the remaining distance kitna bacha? X by 2. 60% of it means 3 by 5 of the remaining distance, that is x by 2. Right? Now this is covered at the speed of 45 kilometers per hour. Hence this is the time taken. Then the remaining distance this is at 18. Yeah. So at 18 kilometers per hour. Then the rest, how much of the distance is remaining? Now see, x by 2 is covered and this much, 3x by 10 is covered. Okay, so if you add these two numbers, you will get 8x by 10. Okay, so 8x by 10 is already covered. Means the remaining distance is 2x by 10, which is x by 5. Okay, now this distance is covered at 45 kilometers per hour. So therefore the total time given is 9.8. Okay, so this is the equation that we get. Please solve this for x, you will get the right answer. Now quickly everyone, please solve it for x and tell me the correct answer. Alright, let's solve this. Let us take 90 as the LCM. So this will be equal to 6. So this is 6x by 2 plus this is, yes, so this is 90 divided by 18 will give me 10 by 2, that is 5. Right? So 5 into 3x by 10 plus this is 2. So 2x by 5 is 9.8. Okay, solving this further, I get 3x plus 3x by 2 plus 2x by 5 is equal to 9.8 into 90. Okay, we can take 10 as the LCM again. So this will be 98 into 90 and this will be 10 is taken as the LCM. So I get 30x plus 15x plus 4x. Okay, so we get 45 plus 4, 49x is equal to 98 plus 90. Therefore, x is 98 into 90 by 49. Hence, this value is 180. Okay. So, the distance is equal to 180 kilometers. Yes. Is everyone getting the same answer? Please confirm, guys, if this question is clear. So, this question was quite direct. Just one concept needed. Distance is speed into time. That's it. Alright, so this was the last question of today's class. Guys, please confirm if all the questions are clear. Do you want me to repeat any concept from this? Okay, so far in time, speed and distance, we have covered the concepts of trains, relative speed and the general problems related to it, like this one, right? But still we are left with an important topic, and that topic is races and circular tracks. Okay, आपने देखे होंगे ऐसे questions जब लिखा होता है कि 2 or 3 people are taking part in the race. One person got a head start, one person didn't, like that. Okay, so those questions are for races. We also have races for the straight track, for the circular track. Okay, also questions related to boats and streams. The current question, speed of boat, speed of river, speed of current, like that. So boats and streams के questions भी रहते हैं. Okay, so these are the two topics that I am going to cover now. So in the next class at 4 p.m. So today is Friday, right? So the next class will be on Monday at 4 p.m. At 4 p.m. I am going to discuss about races and circular tracks questions. So guys, please do attend that class at 4 p.m. Okay? Alright. So now I am going to give you some information regarding the plus batches that are starting on our platform. So from 15th and 19th of May, 2 new batches are going to start on our plus platform. Please use the code AAISH10 to enroll for it. Okay. This will get you 10% off the course fee. Now, if you take the subscription for 6 months of CAT, this will cover your entire preparation till CAT 2021, means that till November. It means that if you pay for 6 months, you will get 1 month of subscription free of cost. Okay, so at the price of 6 months, you will get the subscription for 7 months. So if you're planning to take the subscription, this is a good opportunity for you. Okay. Now, the scholarship test will be held at 12 p.m. on Sunday. Please use the code AAISH10 to enroll for it. Okay. Now, whenever you are stuck in any question, whether quants or LRDI, you can share the picture of the question on our Unacademy learning app. Our educators will solve the question for you and they'll share the detailed explanation. Okay. Now, if you are planning to take the subscription, you just have to install the Unacademy learning app. Select CAT as your goal, click on get subscription. Then you apply the code AAISH10 to get 10% off the course fee, and this way you will be able to get your subscription. You can even use this code to get access to the, you can unlock my special classes on the platform. Also, you can unlock free mock test and quizzes on the platform using this code. Alright. Okay guys. This is the name of my Telegram channel, Unacademy_Aishwarya-CAT. Please join this, and if you are stuck in any question, share the picture of the question here. I'll be happy to share the explanation. Also, links of all my YouTube as well as special classes are shared here. So please join me on this channel. Okay. Thank you so much guys for attending the session. I hope it was useful for you. So now for this session on arithmetic, we are going to meet on Monday at 4 p.m. Alright. Thank you. Be safe. Keep practicing.